AscendEX is an all-inclusive platform that combines the essentials of cryptocurrency trading, staking, and earning rewards. Start by navigating to the clean and intuitive homepage. You'll immediately notice the variety of options, from spot trading to futures and staking. With a robust interface tailored for both beginners and professionals, AscendEX ensures seamless navigation for users at all levels. To begin, click the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Create your account by entering your email, setting a secure password, and verifying your information. Use the provided link https://lnk.do/jqucoif to unlock exclusive bonuses for new users. Once logged in, you'll have access to a customizable dashboard that provides a snapshot of your portfolio, market trends, and active trading options. For trading, head over to the Trade tab. AscendEX offers spot trading with competitive fees and a wide array of crypto pairs. Advanced trading tools, such as charts and indicators, help users make informed decisions. For futures trading enthusiasts, the platform supports leverage options that can amplify gains, but remember, it also increases risks. One standout feature is staking. Navigate to the Staking section, where you'll find various tokens available for staking. AscendEX simplifies the process by clearly displaying potential annual rewards and lockup periods, allowing you to choose what fits your investment goals. By staking, you earn passive income effortlessly. Another significant feature is the Earn section, where users can explore flexible or fixed-term investments for higher returns. These opportunities cater to both conservative and high-risk investors, ensuring there's something for everyone. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. AscendEX also supports a secure wallet system where you can deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies with ease. The platform prioritizes security, offering features like 2FA and withdrawal whitelists. Customer support is available 24/7 for any questions or technical issues. Take advantage of these features to optimize your trading and earning potential. Click the link in the description to sign up now and get started with your exclusive bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful.